This is a Yoga Nidra meditation to help feel calm and maybe even to help fall asleep or take a nap. Begin by finding a comfortable place where you can lie down. This could be on your bed, on a yoga mat, a soft carpet, anywhere where you can fully relax and be at peace. First, as you lay down, allow your body to relax. Adjust your position as necessary to feel fully at ease. Now close your eyes and take a moment to just be still. Let's take a few deep breaths together. When you're ready, inhale slowly and deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment. Now exhale slowly, releasing all tension from your body. Again, inhale slowly and deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment. Now exhale very slowly. Repeat this deep breathing with the hold 2 more times on your own. Now, bring your attention to your body. Feel the sensation of the mattress or the mat or the soft carpeted floor beneath you. Notice the places where your body touches the surface. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the bed even deeper. Let's go on a journey of sensation through your body. I will name different parts of the body, and as I do, bring your full attention to each part. Don't try to change anything or make anything happen. Just bring the attention and focus to that part of the body. Start at the right hand, specifically the right hand thumb, the second finger, the third finger, the fourth finger, the fifth finger, the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, the wrist, the forearm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the right side of the waist, the right chest and abdomen, the hip, the right thigh, the right calf, the right ankle, the right heel, the right sole of the foot, the top of the right foot, the right big toe, the right second toe, the right third toe, the right fourth toe, the right fifth toe. Now we will repeat this process for the left side of the body. Start at the left hand thumb, the left hand second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the left hand, the back of the left hand, the left wrist, the left forearm, the left elbow, the left upper arm, the left shoulder, the left armpit, the left side of the waist, the left side of the chest, the left side of the abdomen, the left hip, the left thigh, the left knee, the left calf, the left ankle, the left heel, the left sole of the foot, the left top of the foot, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and finally, the left fifth toe. Begin to notice your breath. Feel the flow of breath in and out of your nostrils. Don't try to change the breath. Simply notice it. Feel it. Notice the sensation of air entering your nose and leaving your nose. Allow any feelings, emotions, or moods that are present within you to be as they are. Let them exist without trying to change or alter them. Whatever you're feeling, simply feel the sensation of it. Now, imagine a beautiful, calming place. It could be a beach at the sunset time, a serene forest, or a peaceful meadow. Picture yourself there. What does it feel like? What does it sound like? What does it smell like? Feel the serenity of the place soothing you and your body and your mind. Now slowly begin to come back to your body. Feel your body resting on the bed or the floor, noticing the sensation of the bed or floor beneath you. You can gently open your eyes if you like and notice the room around you, listening to any sounds you can hear. If you are ready to go to bed, you can simply turn off the phone or computer and gently relax deeper into sleep. However, if you are ready, you can gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Slowly open your eyes if they're not open already. And take a moment to just be, to appreciate the feeling of relaxation and peace within you now.